Hi, thank you for joining us for this week's Crafternoon at the Coronado Library. This week we'll be making pinecone zinnias. If you weren't able to pick up a kit, all you'll need are some pine cones and some paint. Let's get started. In your kit, you should have some pine cones, green pieces of paper, and some paint. You'll also need some scissors, a paintbrush, and tape to complete this craft. To get started, we're going to take our pieces of paper and we're going to create the base for our pinecone zinnias. To do that, you're just going to take your paper, you're going to fold it into a circle. You're just going to test to make sure your pinecone will fit into that circle nicely, maybe widen it out a little bit if you need to. Then go ahead and cut off your excess and tape it into place. Set that to the side. Looking good. Repeat that for your other two pine cones. Alright, now all three of my pine cones have a nice base that I'll be able to place them on once we're all finished. So we're going to go ahead and put these bases to the side and we're going to start painting our zinnias. So at this point you can be as creative as you want and start painting. Once your pine cones are dry, you are ready to enjoy your pinecone zinnias. You can either place them in a bowl or keep them on their nice little stands and enjoy. Thank you so much for joining us for this week's Crafternoon. Have a wonderful day.